Hello guys, so you can able to see our long hairs and beard has been gone. It's not just the anything or any regret, it's our commitment towards our goal. And we know the previous chapter has been closed and new chapter has been begun, so it is our symbol for that, and we know we have to achieve it. And I can do it, I know. So let's not discuss about that what has been gone. But yeah, I'm look pretty weird. I'm not able to see myself in the mirror because all 2 to 3 years of hard work has been gone. But yeah, it is what it is. So let's move ahead. It's our second day of our journey, and let me tell you what I can learn today, what am I learn, or all sort of things. So today I learn about the how use state and use ref impact on our program. So let me tell you one example. uh, Before that, when I declare two variable using use state, and another one is using use ref. And in input, I pass the default value, and for state I can update it on a handle click. So what happened for updating state, it's totally depend on the react. So react have a power to control a state, and when we click on the state or we can type something, then state has been updated. So and while when state has been updated, we have that means rendering was happen. But in case of a use ref, uh, the value default value has been before assigned to the yeah, useref variable. So and useref doesn't trigger the render because he gets the value directly from DOM. So when I update something on my input field, I am able to see that useref value also change and useState value also change. Both are the similar value, but they not share the same type of effect. Means when React have a fully control of a use state, but React don't able to control the use ref. So we can say that use state is a controllable, and use ref is a uncontrollable. So yeah, it is. And when we update the use ref, it doesn't trigger the re-render. It get value from directly from DOM. In case of use state, it triggers the render. And yeah, that's I think. And React assign the value to it. So it is just a simple concept I learned today. I solved many problems around it, many interview question around it, and after that I moved to the DSA part. So in today's DSA part, I learn about the time complexity and space complexity. I have a slightest idea of what is time complexity and what is space complexity is, but I don't have that much knowledge. Means yeah, I think so. But let me tell you. Sorry for my throat. Yeah, let me tell you what is time complexity. So when I write any algorithm, if it's take less time, so then we can say that this algorithm or this piece of a code is more efficient. And when it's take a less space, we can say that it is uh, taking less memory. So it's why space complexity wise it's efficient code. Yeah. So there are lots of time complexities, but there are certain of time complexities we most of use. So first one is n log n, another one is big of n, and another one is n square. So let me tell you what is n log n. N log n means if let's take an example. So I want search anything in array, and for searching I choose the binary search method. In binary search, array had divided in two parts. So there are one prerequisite for binary search. The array has been already sorted. So when the array has been sorted, and let's take an example. I have a 1 to 10 elements in my array, and I want to find 7. So in that case, what happened, array will divide in the two parts. 1 to 10 means this can divide 1 to 5 and 5 to 10. So then we check that our number is greater than equal to 5 or not. If it is greater than, we can search only right side. Then again, that another second part of array divide into the two parts, 7 before 7 and after 7. We can check the our value is greater than equal to 7. Yeah, it is equal to 7. Then our sorting has been done here. In that case, we take less time, means at worst case the mathematical equation or mathematical time complexities come as n log n. But in linear search, what happen now, we have, if I have n elements in my array, I have to search n times. Okay. N log n is always better than big of n. So yeah, it's like that. So I learn about that. Also I learn about the what is the space complexity. So it's similar to the time complexity, and it is one concept called a constant. So when I use sort of like I use for searching sorting, for let's take an example. I want to find out maximum number in my array. So I just use the max, let max is equal to 0 for storing value. So at we can use only 1, 2 or countables when we take that countables variables. So we can just assign that time space complexities of a big of n. So that was the basic idea. Most of the time we just use the that sort of let me give you another example. If I have array, okay, and I want to find out something, I run loop for it, and again that loop inside I write another loop. So first of all, my array run n time for first loop, and again it's run n time for another inside loop. So that time complexity is n square, so n into n. And if I had a loop, then I have another loop, then what is the time complexity? Let me do it is a n plus n, because not it is not a nested loop, it is a side by side loop. So it is n plus n to n, and we don't use like a 2n, 3n or 4n. We just refer as to the big of n. So yeah, it's all similar to the big of n. That sort of a concept I learned today in the DSA part. In time complexity, I write down lots of problems around it, and try to find out their time complexity. You guys also try. It was very fun. So after that, I take a lunch break, and I do some project planning, some design. I work on the design, and after that, I applied some jobs as well as do some communication practice. Today for communication, I just read some English conversation, as well as I listen some very good interviews and a very good conversation, that how we need to talk. At that time, I realized that English is not equal to the communication. We have to great in communication. That doesn't mean we have to fluent in English. Fluency in English is a different thing, but a confidence when I talk with someone, and I'm totally know that sometimes that word doesn't come in my mind, but how I talk and my body language, how this type of things are work, that's matter to the communication. And I think we are great in not great, but we are maybe good in communication, but we are not fluent in English. That's why I think we didn't need to join our communication skills to the English fluency. Sometimes in interview we can say that I am bad at communication. That doesn't mean we are bad at real talking or any kind of shit. We are just bad at English fluency. So I think that will be unfair. So like yeah, that's it. Yeah, after that, I write down my journal. Lots of things are going on, so I write down in it. And I think taking a journal, it's actually a good thing. And I think I have to focus on the job apply part most, because sometimes I feel I am taking too lightly, or I just apply on a certain time of, means that 6 to 7 bracket. So I have to apply it some I have to apply some jobs on morning, some job of afternoon, and some in evening as well. And I have to update my Naukri profile 3 times a day. I think that will keep it's updated. So we have to focus more on means not more, but we have to get priority to the job application. We didn't take it lightly, because if I learn more and I am not able to get any opportunity, then it doesn't matter, by the way. So we have to focus on the job apply part as well. And I think I have to write it down. What sort of questions interview asks? There are some sort of question which is very common, which is not technical. And sometimes what happen, that type of option, that type of questions, and our answer should be technical, and means at least technical focused, or that topic focused. But sometimes we can say lots of other things which is emotional, or it's like a distraction. But we have to know what we want to say. So I think we need to prepare that part of also, because we have to get prepared for all sort of things. So yeah, I will write it down, that questions. I will tell you tomorrow what I write. Yeah, that's it for today. And as well as let me tell you, today I feel something is not going good, because I think there are 10 days are already gone, and I'm not able to get I feel that I'm not getting closer to my goal. But that was the just mere feeling. I have to overcome this, I know. But I'm just sharing with you guys, because I feel so. And one thing I want to share, that after lunch, I am don't know why that my I don't know really, but my motivation towards work really just I think just dropped slowly, get little dropped. And it's very difficult me to get it back, because I don't think so. I don't know why it's happening. But I think I try to move the DSA part before. I think I need to move DSA part after lunch, and before lunch I think I need to move the project part, because in DSA part I have to watch that session anyhow. But in project part I have that thing in my mind. Can I can stop here? I can do these kind of things, or tell let's take a break. That kind of things may be happening with me. But yeah, I will try to reschedule my daily plan accordingly. So let's see. That's it for today, guys. I know I'm look weird, but yeah, it is what it is. And today is Friday, I think. Well, it doesn't matter to us. Each day it's same. And let me tell you, how am I looking? Yeah, it's very sharp jawline. Also workout is going on, but today I'm not able to do any sort of workout, because yesterday I come late, and after that I sleep. And I have to take 8 to 9 hours of sleep, because I'm very tired yesterday. And if I didn't get that 8 to 9 hours sleep, and then I don't think so today is going well. So I sacrifice something. That's why I sacrifice my exercise part. But from tomorrow I will do exercise and all sort of things, all planned according to our plan. And I will try to give my 100% each day. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye bye.